8.1 credit task. We have to be the practice of project. Also, human diagram. I'm gonna print this code line by line. In starting, we created our public class account. The reason to create this account that every class is customer account. This class for customer details and account balance, and then I created some private data members for the name and the balance of the person. In here, I applied the customers. Here, I left some the constructors, and these constructors automatically take the customer name and the starting amount, starting balance. Then in here, I have applied property, and this is UP read value safely. Then here we have applied the default method. Here we add the money in the bank account. If amount is less than or equal to zero, then the transaction will be rejected. If it is only valid if the money added in the account is for zero. Then here we give the withdrawal method. This withdrawal method works for two conditions. If whether the amount should be greater than zero and it should also be less than the amount present in the bank account, so then only we can withdraw. Then here we have applied the print method. Then here we have transaction abstract class. Um, this is the parent class and abstract means which is common substitute child classes. The reason is that deposit, withdraw, and transfer all have the common thing. So code duplication has to be removed. That's why we do it. Because then one forward here, you are here. I have stored the, like execute this and the word success action. Here basically it is used to track transaction history, and then here I have again a fetch constructor. Uh, Here it stores transaction amount when created, and then here uh, we have used public extract bool success. Uh, the reason behind it, every child class must define success result. Then from 59 here from 59 to 64, 65, we have make transaction executed. It stores current time using and date time, and also it blocks the duplicate execution. And the reason behind it is same transaction should not run twice. That's the reason. Then here we have to roll back to be used. This is used to reverse the transaction. And it checks that the transaction will be executed first, also reversed or not. And it also prevents wrong rollback. Then we have here you print. We have print the transaction details. Then here we have deposit transaction, and we have used inheritance and deposit transaction. Here is the child class. This will be getting gets features of parent transaction. Then at line 83, we have the class count that here we store count object and because deposit where the deposit will be where the deposit will take place उसके reference के लिए we have to call here first we did base dot execute this means that parent execute going first then we have done count dot deposit amount it means money added, and if it fails, then here we have the exception deposit fail. Then we have the rollback again. Deposit for not waited for deposit. Uh, deposit rollback means deposited money withdraw um हो जाएगा. So reverse deposit is here, and then going forward we have the same for withdraw as we did here. We have withdraw transaction was created. It is the same structure as we created in deposit, and as you can see, uh, we go. Uh, this is all the part of uh, withdraw as we did for deposit, so not because it will increase the duration of the video. Now we have the transfer transaction. Here we have created use for sending money from one account to another. And line 147, here we have two account subjects, like from where we have sent money to whom we have sent the money. As to transfer money, we got sender and receiver. Then we have the execute here. First, we need to withdraw. First, when we withdraw from sender, then it will be deposited to receiver. If the deposit fails, the money will return back to the sender. So the transactions are always safe. Then we have heard that here. So yeah, and then we have created a bank class. Uh, we can call it as the main manager class. The, then here we have created two lists. Have you created account list, transaction list? So because when it is store, we have stored multiple data. Then here is the code for add account, get account, um, and then execute transaction, rollback transaction, the transaction. See, so ऐड अकाउंट भी इसी बार हमें नया अकाउंट ऐड करना है गेट अकाउंट में हम when we search the account from name the review transaction means transactions will be saved in the list and the execution will be done like it will give us the history of the actions we did. Then we have the rollback transaction and it is used to reverse the old transactions. And then we have then transaction हिस्ट्री और हमारी सारी transactions की history को print करता है and then we created the main bank system. We have created a class bank system main program class and then we started from here main the main program starts from here. Then we have new bank. We created the bank object has been created. Whole system is start. Yes, we have a mini system here required for bank add account deposit, withdraw, transfer, transaction, rollback, credit. Then we have used switch case here. Like we have this little case one. So user will enter his name and the balance and the new account will be created. Then case two deposit. User entered the account name and also the money to be deposited. And then we have the case three, withdraw, like from which account we have to withdraw the money, we have to enter the details, then we can withdraw the money. Case four, transfer here to enter four details, the name of the account, holder of account one, then two. then the account will money, then name of the account to holder, then the account to money, then credit transfer, the transfer can be executed. In case 5, we have print history, all history will be shown. Case 6, we have used the rollback. Yeah. So yeah, all transaction will be choose and the transaction will be reversed. And then here we have the returns to the growth and except from like this one board. Uh, then here are some advantages that why I created this project. This project uses encapsulation, inheritance, abstraction, polymorphism, list, exception handling, real banking logic. This task helped me understand how human design converts into real C# code. It improves my coding logic and reduces concept. So yeah, overall this task was very helpful to me and thank you.